We have gathered reviews from all over the internet to bring you a comprehensive expert overview of the Smartphone Screen Magnifier Stand 14-inch 3D foldable amplifier stand holder for cell phone. This product is designed to magnify your smartphone screen 2 to 4 times, allowing for a larger viewing experience while keeping a safe distance from your device to protect your eyes. It requires no batteries and works with any smartphone, making it a versatile accessory for families, especially for those who enjoy watching videos or reading on their phones. It is marketed as a perfect gift for occasions like Mother's Day for mom, dad, friends, and family. The magnifier features a 14-inch acrylic lens and a foldable stand with an adjustable angle, weighing about 13.7 ounces and measuring approximately 5.83 inches by 10 inches. Users have praised the product for its ability to enlarge the phone screen significantly, making it easier to watch movies or videos without straining the eyes. Many find it particularly useful for people with poor eyesight or those who prefer a larger screen but do not want to invest in a tablet or TV. The stand holds the phone securely, allowing for hands-free viewing, which is convenient for relaxing or multitasking. The lightweight and foldable design make it portable and easy to use in various settings, such as in bed or on a desk. Some users have noted that it is about the size of a laptop screen but much lighter, which adds to its convenience. However, the product is not without its drawbacks. Some customers report that the image quality can be distorted, resembling a carnival mirror effect, especially if viewed from certain angles or distances. This distortion can make it difficult to see the phone screen clearly, reducing the practicality of the magnifier for some users. The acrylic lens, while lightweight, may not provide the same clarity as glass lenses, which contributes to this issue. Additionally, the build quality has been described as somewhat flimsy, particularly the stand mechanism, which may affect durability over time. Another concern raised by users is the packaging and shipping of the product. Several customers received the magnifier damaged due to insufficient protective packaging, such as bubble wrap without a sturdy box. Since the product is made of plastic, it is vulnerable to cracks or breaks during transit, which can be disappointing and inconvenient. Despite these issues, many users find the magnifier a good value for the price, especially as a novelty or gift item. It is better suited for casual viewing rather than professional or high-definition use. The magnification strength of 2x is adequate for enlarging the screen, but does not replace the experience of watching content on a TV or tablet. Some users have mentioned that it is less practical for use in cars due to its size and the need for stable placement. Overall, the Smartphone Screen Magnifier Stand 14-inch offers a simple and battery-free solution to enlarge smartphone screens for easier viewing. It is ideal for those who want a bigger screen experience without investing in additional devices. The product works well for watching videos, reading, or browsing, especially in relaxed environments like at home. However, potential buyers should be aware of possible image distortion and the need for careful handling due to the plastic construction. If you have this item, please leave a review in the comments to help others make informed decisions. Remember, the link to the product is in the description to support the channel.